Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today we are taking a class about tool maker wise. It is a very easy and a simple in a 3D method. It is a very easy and simple. Draw like this and make a 3D version like this. Draw like this. Very easy. Join this line and join this line. After that, take in the middle, join this line, and the middle, join this line. Take one square box. Okay, and join this line. In the middle, take 5 mm point and 5 mm point. Okay, after that, take here 5 mm, here 5 mm, and join this taper line and join this taper line. After that, here one taper line and here one taper line. Okay, it is very easy and simple. Take one taper. Okay, join this line. After that, join this box, join this one, and join this one. After, join this one. It's a very easy and simple. Take here keep this parallel line and join this 5 mm here and join this 5 mm. Okay, this is the drawing, very easy and simple. If you like this video, keep on sharing, it will be very useful to me and who are doing. And this taper line will come here. Okay, after that, join this line. Okay, this joining line will come here, this joining line will come here. We'll take like this. Here one shape will cut here. After that, this shape will cut here. It's very easy and simple. Then this taper join will come here, this line will join, this line will join, this line will join, and this line will join, and this line will join. After that, join this line like this, then this tapered line will come here and this taper line will join here. Okay, then this square box will come like this and join here. Again same procedure, join this line and join this line. After that, here the middle line will circle will come, that is called as a threading. So the handle will come like this. Here will the thread will come. So this is a tool maker wise. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, please share to your friends. It will be very helpful to do more drawings. Thanks for watching my channel.